What's up, fans? Today, or not fans, I don't know. Today, we're gonna play Just Tornadoes 2, but there's no tornado. So let's hop onto another server, not my friends. So let's go. Okay, so now we're gonna skip this part because we're gonna it's because but there is a tornado in the ground, so let's just skip. Okay, we're about to intercept this tornado and hope we don't get picked up right while I'm trying to. Yep, I'll put down my go sass. Go sass. Why did I say go sass instead of go sass? Alright, yeah, we're having a great intercept. Alright, yeah. It's gonna give more tornadoes. What are you doing? Chocolate. Yep, we're out. Look at my hunter eyes. No, look at in my virus eyes. Oh my god, like gonna. What? Gonna? Yeah, we're about to hit 1 million to get this. Right, I forgot the core. My bad. I forgot to do core. Oh my god, look at this. Oh my god. What is happening? It's the only one that's broken. Really? I was ready to hit my get out of this car. Imagine you see someone in the big. Oh my god, you saw me. Oh my god, you guys. Those pros are so. No way you're gonna drive without me when like you're goddamn broken. No, let's see if you're broken or not. Well, we're intercepting the tornado on the side, so we're not gonna have a great intercept. So I think we should go. Okay, we're cooked. My foot, I'm paired up. All right, so we're just gonna intercept this tornado, and let's skip this part because. All right, we're about to intercept this tornado, but we need to find the right spot to try to intercept it. More like close to it because I don't want it to change directions in any moment. So I guess right here. Oh my god! The editor put that slow down and see that somebody if somebody got picked up and don't die. Guys, tell me if my thumbnail. No! No, bro. Okay, I'm literally. Come on, survive. So well, mate. Yeah, mate. Come on, mate. Yeah, brother. Yeah, mate. I'll right here. Yeah, let's look at my interceptor. So. We're gonna try to intercept another tornado, so let's get right into private servers. So come on. All right. I joined a different server of one of my friends of his private server. I keep stuttering. Imagine stuttering in 2026. Ah! Anyway, The best intercept I ever had. I'm a.
Oh my god, I'm lucky to that. How was my intercept for once?
Oh my god. Like actually, dude. Like, oh my god. Oh my god. This should actually. I don't know. I should do this. Should I do this one? Yeah, that's gonna be a great thumbnail. So I'm just delete the first one. I'm gonna use that one I just used. That's gonna be a great thumbnail. Oh my god, we're gonna actually hit 1,000,000. And how much does it cost? 1,200,000. Okay. If you guys think I said it wrong, I meant like 200,000. Oh yes, we're gonna hit 800. We're gonna hit 800, and I'm gonna join. I can join the crew. Wait. Yo! Oh, 179. How am I not sliding? Oh my god! I'm not sliding. Oh shoot! Wait, how much does this can handle? 170, and I made it to 179. Oh, bro, I just get. I just get picked up right here. I'm gonna take this one. This sweet time to get. Yep, look at that. All right, chat. We're gonna have another great intercept. Wait, what? Oh! Into the storm moment? Hey, yo, into the storm? I wonder which one is ready. Okay, I think this is a perfect perfect spot to intercept it. Or I think I should which one should I use for my thumbnail? I'm gonna use this one. Yeah. Okay, that's my thumbnail. That's my thumbnail. Let's see how much wind speed I'm gonna get. Oh! 2026, dude. Oh, 150. The only thing it's hitting is 150. Okay, 160. Yeah, it's only 160. We hit like 179. I forgot. Lost. 170. Wait, 272. When did we hit that? I never remember. Oh, I just saw 277. Oh, my butt. Okay, yeah, we're exiting. They should actually add the vortex. Vortex or no subboarding. Fuck! I said it wrong. I don't know. Should add those little mini tornadoes inside of them or outside of it. Oh my god! Biggest tornado, by the way, I ever had. Oh! 177? Oh my god. Yo, we're gonna actually have a great intercept. We might actually hit 1,000,000. We just need 200 more. 200 more. Yo! Alright. Bro, thank God I joined my friend's server. If I didn't, it's gonna be the worst. Nope, turn around. Oh! I think you guys didn't saw that, or did you guys? Alright. We should actually deploy before I put some of my stuff. Deploy! Oh, 360! Trick shot! Ooh! What happened? Oh! You might see my car. Yeah, I see my car. Do I have to see? Yeah, I see my car. Yo, this is a big tornado. It's literally cheap. The details. Oh hell no! I'm about to throw away from that. Wait, particles. I'm gonna keep all of them on, but not low details. Ah, look, I saw them. I see them. Hope my car didn't go through worse tires. Okay. Let's try to intercept it again. What's up, guys? Okay, we're gonna actually intercept this. There's another tornado coming this way, and it's and it might be shrunk too, and we might need to go. Get in! We're having a great intercept. Yep. Yo, we're gonna actually hit 1 million. We're actually 1,000. Let me see the other tornado. Okay. I wanted to go to the bridge, but okay. Let's see how much money we're getting. Okay, 2007, and okay. Wait, where's the other one? Hello? Oh. Okay, 270. Oh, okay. Look how we're gonna slide. We're sliding. Yeah, we're having a great intercept. Yes, besties. Oh my God, why am I sounding so gay? I should actually get a lot. Wait, yo, 278. Yo! Oh! Yo, we're actually gonna have, oh. Wait, was it 278. 278. Ah, great. Yeah, wait. We can't, I don't want to intercept that anymore. That's so crazy. Yeah, I have barely space over there. But crazy. Ah, my eyes! Okay, crazy. That's the biggest tornado I've ever seen. The strongest tornado I ever had was 404 miles per hour I had a tornado that was 404 miles per hour. That I never had this channel that I upload. I said this is the other tornado is so big. Wait, did I put? Oh, come on, dude. I'm gonna take my sweet time. No, stop. Yo! Okay, 270. No. Yo, 900. Yo! I think we need to make another video because this video we're not gonna hit 1,200,000. Okay. Oh, okay. That's a lot of money. Hold on, how much money is this one getting? 200 and 700. Yeah, 200. No, I'm at 2,700. Yeah. Now 3,000. Okay. Yo, 275. Stuck now. Anyways, we should actually intercept it. We might need to